Oh, hello. You came back for the continuation. Previously on the Sneeze Championships. Now's the time, Sanam. Go run and get some pepper. I knew it. Arya's at 7. Oh my god, she's come back with a dabba of masala.
Get back into this.
This is part 2 of the Sneeze Championships 2019. Welcome to the show, and I'm your host, Mansi Sate from Sanam Buxani. And we're back after a short commercial break.
What do you want to do?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
Sneeze.
Okay.
Right
all.
or left nostril?
Left, always left, Arya. That's your right. You should tweeze a nostril hair.
No, I want
Eat dark chocolate.
That's bullshit.
Tilt the head back. And the last but not least, smell some spices.
What the? I just kept it.
This is them in the most natural state. Oh, Arya has 8 sneezes versus Sanam 0.
How can you
Or
not
will
have-
she not?
You put two.
I can see Sanam's eyes watering. Things are going well, I think.
Trophies. Boxes. Curtains.
No, Arya, this is bad sportsmanship. You can see Sanam getting that drink. Oh my god, and Arya takes the lead even more with 9. Arya has planned to do one last trick play. Turning the AC on. I feel the air around us get colder. And the competition gets tougher. Oh my god, and Arya's gotten to 10.
I hate you.
Well, this is awkward. Look at Arya do it effortlessly. Didn't we?
I'm not sick.
I'm not sick.
Both of them are sniffling, thus proving both of them are slightly sick. The playing field is even. Oh my god. She's having it. Finally, we're at 1 versus Arya's 12. Sportsmanship at its finest.
Your commentaries make me laugh and laugh that I can't sneeze.
Sanam is attempting origami. And we're at 13 whole sneezes in this round of the championship. Arya has left the match. All that's left is for Sanam to maybe get one more. And maintain her dignity on this playing field.
I'm 20 years old. What am I doing?
Our champions are giving their all as they dig their noses in front of the camera. Arya scores yet again.
I'm calling you the game.
Can I sneeze one more time?
Sure, man, go for it. I'm done.
When she yet again gets to... She's making her trophy as we speak. Because we're unsponsored, yet hope to be sponsored soon. I am going to give her her dirty, dirty trophy.
Good good game.
Dirty hands. Okay, how do we end this?
With me, of course, your host, Mansi Sate. The 2019 Sneeze Championships have now come to an end, and we eagerly await for next year's championships. Comment below, like and subscribe. Bye.
I am going to bed.
I forgot completely.